Hey, in this video we're going to continue retopologizing the demon character. The head is completed now, so I've got nice edge flow. I've done the horns already and the teeth and added some gums. I've done the tongue and just modelled a bit of detail in the mouth, and you can see the internal mouth. I've done the part, that makes him swallow. Don't know what it's called, but I've added that. And the head's done. So now we can get on with the body. So select the body, make it live, select the head, modelling toolkit, quad draw. With the body, go to channel box and hit 1 on visibility. Now it's visible. You can work on the body now. So start off with fairly large shapes, large polygons. And what we're going to do is start off under the armpits, and these polygons are going to feed into the neck. So we'll put some edge loops in a minute. This part here, I'm going to go under the arms, and then round the back, and then into the back of the neck. So we can add an edge loop in the middle, and that'll make it bend nicely. I think we'll add 2 in there. And then we'll take these 2 out. And then add them in like this. Split it, add another. And then we're going to build up now around the shoulder. You will see quite a lot of people will create a polygon cylinder and then sort of shrink wrap it to the shape of the arm, but this is really quite a complicated shape, so usually that doesn't work very well. So if we do it, just do it by hand because we get a better result. Depends on the model. If you've got a lot of detail, then it doesn't always work. Just depends on the model. Really, we want an edge loop to go straight down the middle of the arm, right in the centre. Now we'll connect those up. And then delete those because we'll add another one in here. And that will work out nicely. So before we connect the necking on the back, we'll just use some pretty big polygons. And we can see symmetry isn't working, you know, under the arm on this side. So we'll just do that separately. Start on the arms and the wrists, one down the centre, and then I'm about halfway. Same again that side. Pull that one in, snap it, move it back to where you want it. Pull them into shape. Like that. And we'll just keep moving around. And then just align these under the arm. So I'll turn off symmetry now, and then delete these polygons here just because they're looking a bit weird. Or something that I will try is pulling this one down. Symmetry back on. Pull these down a bit. And we'll correct it. And it doesn't like that, so we'll turn symmetry off and we'll redo this side. In fact, we'll just turn symmetry on, delete these. Because you are allowed to change your mind. The more important side is this side anyway, because the other side's missing, with there being a hole in the chest. So I'm not going to worry about that side. I'll make it a lot easier. Bit weird. There we go. And the easiest way to make the hole in the cavity in the chest is just to extrude it. Just put an edge loop through there. Shape it to the body a little bit. And come around to the front. And then we'll go back and do the hole in the chest when we've finished. Another edge loop in the shoulder. We're going to have quite a few in the shoulder just so you've got really nice deformation. And then hit B on the keyboard, adjust the brush. And we'll smooth it out a little. Try and get the roundness of the shoulders. Add another edge loop in here. Smooth it out a bit. Another edge loop here. No. Not another edge loop there. Down around the shoulder blades, drop another edge loop in there and then start connecting it to the neck. Another one here. Edge loop in there. And then see where we want to go with these. I might go back and add a few less. Kind of like a jigsaw without any, well, just like a jigsaw, no instructions, just figure it out. Turn B off, then delete these two. And connect that one up there. Add an edge loop in here, and in here, and one in there, and we need a few in the head. Hit B on the keyboard and then start smoothing it out. Looks better with some more geo in there anyway. Get nice squares rather than elongated shapes. Smooth around the neck. And the back of the skull. Smooth the back out. I'm going to start on the legs. Ideally, I'd like some of this geometry to be a bit closer together. Just the brush and then smooth it again. B. So we'll add some more geometry down the middle. Going front to back now. can look a bit ugly at this stage, but as you progress, it'll all end up really nice looking in the end. And then when we add more geo into the legs, we'll be able to use it for the feet. And then we'll stitch the front of the neck. And then we'll take this part out for a minute. And that's still not enough, so make it a bit. Beaky, let's move it a bit, probably not that much. Shrink the brush down a bit. Hit the beaky again. This part. So this is basically the it's going to be the base mesh that we're going to detail in ZBrush after it's been UV mapped. And then we'll project all the detail, all the high-res detail onto this low-res model. So we can hit the quad draw F8 on the keyboard, turn the wide mode off, hide it, and we can start seeing what the character is going to look like. So we'll go to Mesh Display, Mesh Display, Soften Edge, Set to Face. For some reason it's just flipped all the geo, which is really weird. I must have caught the reverse, so reverse, Soften Edge. And you can start to see what he's going to look like. It's looking pretty cool. So this part here, we're going to select take soft select off, and then we're going to weld the verts together. Hit G on the keyboard, G again, G, G. Same again. Keep hitting G once, you know, just to repeat the command. Delete history. Press 3 on the keyboard. So you can see when you've projected all the detail onto it and resculpted it, if this is the base mesh, it's going to look really cool when it's put into ZBrush and you put all the detail back into it, because this is just your base, this is the basic model. So you can tell how good it's going to look once it's been put into ZBrush. You've painted it, you've detailed it up, and after it's been UV'd, put all the detail on it and then bake it in Substance, and then you can add a combination of ZBrush paint with Substance materials. You have something pretty cool. So we press 1 again on the keyboard, go back to body, press 1, make it live. Select the new Geo, modeling toolkit and quad draw, and then we just continue. And finish the arms up. Keep working our way around. Add another edge loop. And then if it doesn't snap straight away, pull that vertices forward. Snap it in place. See that they need spreading apart a bit. And then we need another 3 edge loops, which will work nicely for the fingers. Another edge loop, another edge loop. Fill in this last side, and then we'll smooth it out. Push these to one side of it, split it, and fill those in. Hit the B on the keyboard, adjust the brush, and smooth it out a bit. Need more edge loops around the elbow, because that's going to deform the most when it's rigged. and then we'll put another couple. We'll do it on this side. Just a brush, smooth it. Add some edge loops in the legs. Smooth your shoulders. Smoothing on the wrong side. Without having the cavity in the chest. The only time consuming bit now will be the hands and fingers and toes really. And even then they don't take that long to do. So what we can do is hover over the edge, press tab on the keyboard and then drag it down. Add some edge loops, smooth again. Press B on the keyboard, smooth it out. Press B to turn it off, hold tab down again. And again. And down to the ankles. And we'll add some edge loops. Smooth. When it's a detailed model, and the high-res model has got a lot of detail in there, sometimes when you're building over the surface it can look a bit rough. But it soon cleans up. So now I'm going to do the hands and feet as a separate video and show you what the body looks like. So we turn off live mode, hide the visibility again, turn off soft selection, put in quad draw, just clear dots, turn off quad draw, and soft selection off, F8 on the keyboard, and then go to mesh display, soften edge, press 3 on the keyboard, and you're starting to see what the base mesh looks like for the final character. This is what we're going to detail in ZBrush. So next it's the hands and feet, and then on to the next stages. I've got to retopologize the t-shirt, shorts, claws, heart and ribs. So we'll start with the heart. Turn the visibility on. Make it live. Quad draw. Make sure symmetry is turned off. Clear those dots, didn't want those. Start off with a square. This will be really fast. Edge down. Hold down tab, and then we'll straighten these in. Straighten these out a little. Edge loop. Pull these down a bit. Come out of edit mode. Go to this one. Delete it. Mesh. Smooth. Then put that back in place with 0. 0 back to where it should be. Which you'll see in the delete history, freeze transformations. So now we have ribs. W on the keyboard. Turn the visibility on. And we make it live again. Modeling toolkit, quad draw. And then start building the rib. easiest way to do this is just make the retopo over the top. F8, get the rib, delete it, take this G out, extrude it, W, mesh display, reverse G out because it looks like it's inside out again. Yeah. Mesh smooth. It's concave, but we're going to use this, we're going to sculpt it in ZBrush anyway. Zero it out again. Freeze transformation. And we'll do it again. So this time, no messing around. Select the shape that you want to cut out. And all we're going to do is extrude, W on the keyboard, scale, G, W, scale, really that easy. Mesh, soften, delete history, freeze transformations, all that can just be sculpted in ZBrush. No messing. Rename it heart underscore low. Rib underscore 001 underscore low. Rib underscore 002 underscore low. Grab those two, middle mouse, place them underneath the group. Underscore low. Should do that for everything, do that later. But I'm starting to get somewhere with it now. So yeah, all we need to do now is hands and feet, and it's done.